Hello everyone, I am Shweta. I am a homemaker and I want to speak fluent English. And I have been learning for a long time. But still, I need to improve myself. And इसके लिए मैं बहुत लंबे समय से प्रयास कर रही हूँ. उससे पहले मैं ये बताना चाहूँगी कि मुझे क्यों लगा कि मुझे इंग्लिश सीखना चाहिए. वैसे तो इंग्लिश सीखने के कई रीजंस हैं, लेकिन जब भी मुझे पेरेंट्स टीचर मीट में जाना होता है तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. और परिवार में भी जब कोई भी बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलता है तो मैं हीन भावना से ग्रसित हो जाती हूँ कि मुझे इंग्लिश नहीं आती. और इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में इतनी ताकत है कि ये आपको इकोनॉमिकली स्ट्रॉन्ग कर सकता है. इसलिए तो इंग्लिश को लैंग्वेज ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी भी कहा जाता है. तो कई सारे रीजंस थे जिसकी वजह से मैंने अपने इंग्लिश सीखने की शुरुआत की. फिर मैंने YouTube में कई सारे वीडियोस को देखना शुरू किया. मैंने कई ग्रामर रूल्स सीखे. मैंने उसकी बहुत प्रैक्टिस भी की. तो इस तरह से मेरी राइटिंग स्किल्स तो अच्छी हो गई, लेकिन स्पीकिंग में अभी भी मुझे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी. फिर मुझे कई फ्री ऐप्स के बारे में पता चला जहां मैं अपने ही जैसे इंग्लिश सीखने वाले लोगों के साथ प्रैक्टिस कर सकती थी. तो फिर मैंने अपनी प्रैक्टिस जारी रखी. फिर भी मुझे कई बार लगा कि मैं अपनी इंग्लिश को उस लेवल तक नहीं ले जा पा रही हूँ जहाँ तक मैं जाना चाहती हूँ. फिर मैंने एक कोट पढ़ा कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ में बेहतर होना चाहते हैं तो आप उसे पढ़ाना शुरू कर दें. तो फिर मैंने अपने YouTube चैनल को स्टार्ट करने के बारे में सोचा कि जो भी अब तक मैं सीखी हूँ उसे मैं शेयर भी कर पाऊँगी और वीडियो बनाते समय मुझे इंग्लिश में बोलने की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी और इस तरह से मैं अपने इंग्लिश की प्रैक्टिस भी कर पाऊँगी. लेकिन फिर भी मुझे कहीं ना कहीं ये लगने लगा कि मुझे अपने इंग्लिश को सुधार करने के लिए कुछ और करना चाहिए. फिर मेरी एक दोस्त करिश्मा ने मुझे सजेस्ट किया कि आप क्लैपिंगो ऐप को ज्वाइन करें, ये आपकी इंग्लिश में काफ़ी सुधार कर देगा. लेकिन उसके लिए मुझे कुछ पैसे खर्च करने होते. तो मैंने सोचा कि हम लोग कितनी ही बार बाहर खाने में, कुछ कपड़े खरीदने में या फिर मूवी देखने में अपने पैसे को खर्च कर देते हैं. तो क्यों ना कुछ पैसे इन्वेस्ट करके अगर मैं अपनी स्किल्स को इम्प्रूव कर सकती हूँ तो मुझे ज़रूर करना चाहिए. तो चलिए आज मैं अपने क्लैपिंगो के डेमो सेशन को आपके साथ शेयर करती हूँ और देखिए कि मैं इंग्लिश बोलते वक्त कितनी ही बार अटक गई हूँ. लेकिन मुझे खुद पर विश्वास है कि अगर मैं इसी तरह से प्रैक्टिस करती रही तो एक दिन मैं जरूर फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर बन जाऊंगी.
Okay, first of all, let's see. So I see that this is your demo session with Clapingo. Shweta, are you there? Okay.
Yes.
So Shweta, I see that this is your demo session with Clapingo. So if you could give me a brief introduction about you.
Okay. So I am Shweta, wife of Mr. Manish Prasad. He is working in a government sector, and we both are blessed with 2 daughters, and we live in a joint family with my in-laws. And I have graduated from Lucknow University, and now I have been working as a freelance translator. And now I have started my own YouTube channel named Study Vocabulary with Shweta.
Okay,
so this is all about.
That's a good initiative you have taken. It's very good. So today it's a demo class, so I'll just we'll have a very normal communication. We'll have a very normal conversation. Okay, then I'll be able to advise you which session would be better for you. Is it like 15 minutes and 25 minutes? And further, if you want to enroll, you can enroll with Clapingo and subscribe for the further sessions. So right now we'll have a very small conversation. All right. All right, so let's start with the conversation. So do you like to try new activities, Shweta?
Pardon, please. Do you like
to try new activities?
Yeah, of course. And joining Clapingo is one of them, ma'am. I have been working on YouTube since 1 year, but I thought to join Clapingo. It's my new activity.
Okay. So like, okay, other than this is all educational based activities, right? Other than that, any other activity like painting or art or stitching, any other activities that you would really like to try in future or you
Yeah.
must have tried in past?
Yes,
So,
yes.
so which are those?
Yeah, I like to play badminton with my kids, and like many games, like Ludo, Carom. I like to play
Mm,
with them.
okay.
And I do
Okay, that
yoga in the morning. I do yoga, and there is an app called Star Maker where you can sing. I'm not perfect in singing, but for my as you are telling that other activity, so I sing.
right, right.
Sometimes I sing for my happiness.
Right, that's wonderful. That's wonderful because everything you just don't do for being perfection. You sometimes also do things for your happiness. So I think that is absolutely fine, right? So that's a good thing. That's a really good thing. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So all these activities that you have been doing, you want to you would new activities that you like to try. Would you like to try it alone or with your friends or with your kids? How do you enjoy doing it?
Yeah, as per the situation, like if someone ready to play with me, like kids, I told her that would you like to play badminton, then if they are ready, then it's fine. Otherwise I will go for walking and go to park and talk with some friends and something like that. So it depends on situation. I both I enjoy. I alone enjoy, and if
So you
people
enjoy
want to
both ways.
stay with me, then in both ways I can enjoy.
So you enjoy in group and solo as well. Oh, that's wonderful. That's
Yes,
wonderful.
yes.
So what all activities did you do when you were a child?
I mostly want to play, ma'am.
Okay.
So yeah, lots of like Luka Chipi there is, and
I can
Carom
see.
board, as I mentioned. Yeah, so these things I want to play, and a little bit sometime I want to study as well. I was good at study, and I love to study like comics, Chacha Chaudhary or something like in my time. There is a lot
Okay.
of comics, and there is no internet that time. So only entertainment, I can do entertainment by reading good books. So
Right, right. Absolutely. Absolutely correct. Wonderful. Okay, all right. So now I'm giving you a small paragraph. Okay, try to speak at a length without any pauses. All right. So the paragraph is like you see a lot of again. I let me change it. So you know that government has taken initiative to stop plastic, correct? You know that. You know about that
yes, yes,
initiative,
yes, yes,
right?
yes,
So,
yes, yes.
but still, you would see many people using plastic. They are using that plastic because it's durable and it falls easy on their pocket. So, what do you think about like the initiative that is taken by the government is good or not? And if it is good, how strictly it should be followed and why?
Okay, ma'am. So I have to answer this.
Yes, you have to speak
Okay.
on this topic.
Okay, okay. First, yeah, like lot of plastic is very not good for our environment, and we live in such a beautiful environment where we all live. So it's our duty to keep environment healthy, so that we can not only we can survive, our next generation will be for them. It's our duty to make environment peace, clean, so that they can live. So, and the initiative taken by the government is very good, and we should see, governments can't do anything. First we should
Yes.
change ourselves. Like it's like we can't deny the importance of plastic, because plastic is very whenever we go anything to purchase, plastic is very comfortable, very easily available, and try
Right.
and very, but so we need to use other than that, and this like packet or some thela bag, but it takes time to change our habits. because our habits is always use carry bags and something. So it starts from us, not from the government. So if we it's our responsibility also to change ourselves and our habit. Like whenever we go outside to purchase anything, we should carry a bag with us, and we should avoid much uses of carry bag. So we should always careful about our environment. So that's all about
Okay,
that's
wonderful.
all I want to say on this topic.
Very well spoken. I agree with that, because government can only start with an initiative, but rest following up that initiative is in our hand. Absolutely correct. Absolutely. So, Shweta, do you like to cook?
Yes. Actually, it's been long time. I have been cooking, and still I have to cook 3 times a morning for my tiffin box for my daughter, breakfast. After that, for my husband, breakfast, lunch, and at night dinner. So this is all. I have to cook 3 times, at least 2 to 3 times.
Yeah,
So
right. Absolutely.
some food I like. Yeah.
Okay, but
Being a
which is
housewife, it's our duty.
absolutely, I totally agree. So, which is the best dish that you can cook? Your favorite dish or the best dish that you can make?
Yeah, like I belong to basically Bihari family, so there is a dish curry bari. So it is made by curd and besan, and there is a ghol, and there is a pakodi, onion, and so
That's
I'm good
called
at
as
cooking
curry.
this. Everyone, yeah, kadhi bari
So
with
that
chawal, and Punjabi also eat this food, kadhi bari, and I cook
like,
very well.
yeah, see,
Everyone
I think
says that, yeah,
okay. So that is called as pakode wali curry, something like that, which you are saying.
yeah, pakode wali kadhi, yeah.
Okay, okay. So you cook that nice.
Uh, yeah, and for like daughters, momos, I cook momos. Nowadays, everyone kids wants to fast food, so every time she demand that mom cook momos, I want to eat, so I have to prepare
All
this.
right. Now let me start with the feedback. So Shweta, after like listening to like your English and your conversation, I really feel that you need a lot of practice, because there are a lot of pauses and pronunciation issues. Grammar wise, I would say yes, you will have to brush up your grammar skills, but I did not find many issues with the grammar right now. So in this, what I would advise you to go for at least 3 months. 3 months, that is 90 sessions. Okay, that is every day one session for 25 minutes for every day, and you will see changes happening. But anything else that if you have in mind, you would like to ask or say anything?
And yes, I know, ma'am, I need practice a lot. So as you have advised, I want to follow, because I want to make my English up to great extent, because I want to become the best version of myself. So English is very important nowadays for everyone, to make your personality good and presentable. And English is like I feel that because I am from Hindi medium background.
Right.
From childhood, I have studied in Hindi medium background, so English is like a barrier for me. So like so we need to face our fear, and Clapingo session is one of them, to face my fear, to overcome it. And thank you so much, ma'am, and I'm feeling very wonderful after talking with you, and thank you for your feedback, and I will try to correct myself and try to level my best to improve myself.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So that's it
Thank
from my
you,
end. Okay, so if you want to subscribe, you can always do that. And I hope to see you soon again in the sessions.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day, ma'am.
Thank you, same to you.
अभी अभी मैंने क्लैपिंगो ऐप, जो कि एक इंग्लिश लर्निंग ऐप है, वहाँ पे अपने डेमो सेशन को कंप्लीट किया। जनरली वीडियो बनाते समय मुझे स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में पता होता है और वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करते समय मैं रीटेक ले सकती हूँ, लेकिन क्लैपिंगो ऐप में ना कोई रीटेक है और ना ही मुझे स्क्रिप्ट के बारे में कुछ पता था। यहाँ पे मैं ट्यूटर से 1-on-1 लाइव सेशन करना होता है। तो ये मेरा पहला सेशन था और थोड़ी नर्वसनेस भी थी, लेकिन वो कहते हैं ना, डर के आगे ही जीत है, तो मुझे इस डर का सामना करना था। मुझे पता था कि हो सकता है मैं बोलते समय उतने अच्छे तरीके से इंग्लिश ना बोल पाऊँ, इसलिए मैंने डरे हुए होने के बावजूद क्लैपिंगो के डेमो सेशन को अटेंड किया। इंग्लिश हमारी मदर टंग नहीं है, ये हमें सीखना है, ये हमारी सेकेंड लैंग्वेज है, इसलिए हमें इसकी बहुत बार प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी। लेकिन मैं जानती हूँ अगर मैं अपनी प्रैक्टिस इस तरह से जारी रखी तो एक न एक दिन मैं ज़रूर ही फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश स्पीकर बन जाऊँगी।